The first thing you should do the morning of an operation is to make sure that you are ready to go. It's time to take a self-assessment test for safety, also known as the IMSAFE rule. IMSAFE identifies the conditions that can impair a remote pilot's ability to fly safely. I stands for illness. Are you sick? M for medication. Are any medications affecting your judgment or making you drowsy? S for stress. Are job or personal issues causing you concentration or performance problems? A for alcohol. Have you been drinking in the last 8 hours? F for fatigue. Are you tired? And E for emotion. Are you emotional? Because remote pilots pose the most risk to a successful operation. So you really need to be sure to self-assess on the morning of the operation.